professional development courses. And where I see it going is like, I worked in instant response for 8 years, but no one ever teaches you how to do the soft skills for yourself. So things like mental health, suicide prevention, keeping care of your health while you're working crazy hours because you're essentially a first responder, but then taking care of people when you go on site and deal with instant response and looking after people that are responding and the managers who are super stressed. And
that word soft skill, that could be something, that could be marketing. Like that could be marketable.
Well, soft skill is in the professional domain. So it's what you call your...
But I mean, for us to market, it could be like, you know, like, hey, you might be able to, might have the skills, but do you have the soft skills to maintain a healthy lifestyle? Blah, blah, blah.
Yeah, definitely. But that's where I was saying is I want to create an instant response course that covers that, as well as the technical. And then I see it bleeding into the more generic professional.
So that's what,